May bayad ang photo. May bayad? Ikaw, maskuta ka. Carmen. Ano yung feed sa mga tao? Ano? Isda po. May isda. Oh, Nico. Giant catfish. Catfish.
Oh my God. Where? Ay, dito siya. Hi, Cookie. Oh my God, may baki doon. What's ang baki? Wait. Oh my God. Cellphone na to pa. Sana ako. Yeah.
deserve it. May labanan ka ang story nila. Hindi siya kapaabutan dyan. Mamalaki. Ako na siya stay design.
Walang regahiman siya.
Okay, so Blue right here can detect if the money is real or not. So let's go Blue. Now Blue flies over, grabs the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back to the table, and guess what, ma'am? Blue wants to. There you go. Donate your money. We have a round of applause for our donor. So, ma'am, is it okay na, ma'am? Din-donate ni Blue yung mga 20 peso, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am? Since okay na, ma'am. Second round, ma'am. 500 pesos. Second round, ma'am. 500 pesos, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Balik na, ma'am. Balik na, ma'am. Balik na, ma'am. So meanwhile, these birds are male. They usually have bright green colored feathers. So once again, if it's red, it is a female. And if they're green, they are male. So muna pa simple. Our blue and Makagodi. With me is our feathers spread red, and up there with your number is our blue and is.
Madurte siya.
So first up here is our silver crested activity. Now these grow on their side wings. Ang new design of the name is Kakatua Galerita. Now when you're on your left, their variant is our umbrella cockatoo tiger. Now the umbrella cockatoos are known as the white cockatoos, or the great white crested cockatoos. That is because of their very white crest right there that raises up like an umbrella. So whereas an umbrella or kago. Here in Nigeria, which in America can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, American cockatoos up there can live up to 17 years old. And that is it for our competitions again. Here we have a silver crested cockatoo beauty, our yellow cockatoo Nigel, and our Olympic cockatoo Snow. Lastly, which you're wondering, up there is our Olympic cockatoo Snow or Alzheimer crested cockatoo. That is because of the pinkish white color that is understanding. So first up right there on your right, Richard Andre, is our green winged macaw bandit. Now as you can see, those birds are covered with mostly red plumage, while their tail and wing feathers are blue and green. Now that bird right there has a white picket face striped with small red feathers. Now bandit's scientific name is Arachloraptorus. Now bandit, say hi to everyone. Hi! How about the other side, bandit, say hi. Hi! And the green macaw is the second largest bird next to the hyacinth macaw. That's why they're called as the gentle giants of the parrot family. Now we trainer Mary right here on your left is our blue and gold macaw Goldie. Now blue and gold macaws are covered with a beautiful shade of blue feathers on their backs, while their bellies and inner wings are solid yellow. Their eyes and beaks are white and solid black. So here in the Ocean Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaws, or earlier at the basketball game that was blue and azul. So over there will have their own segment later. Now mga tayo si Goldie, pinashy type na siya. Say hi to everyone, Goldie. Hi!
Ayan ka mo.
Goldie na, hindi siya. Now lastly here in me is our Epectus parrot red. Epectus parrots are very unusual in their family. That is because you can easily identify if these birds are male or female. So we call that as sexual dimorphism. Now red right here is a female Epectus.
The picture.
Now running its scientific name is Haliaster rufus. These birds are widespread throughout the countries of India, Southeast Asia, all the way to Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, we call them as Tagalog or Hawis. open wetlands such as mangrove forests, lakes, estuaries, and coastal areas. The upper side that you can known as the Spilargus holosphilus. Now these birds are endemic, meaning they can only be found here in the countries in the archipelago and islands of the Philippines. They're distinguishable from other species of serpent eagles, and it's because of the well-defined spots that you can see on their feathers. So get now to that, that's serpent eagles. Well, that is because of the wild, their primary diet. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Alright, we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have our show by welcoming our flag raising bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit right there is our green-winged macaw. Now, macaws are widespread throughout the forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show is officially started. How about a round of applause for our flag raising bird, Bandit? Kapapa naman si Bandit, guys. So may welcome everyone, good news everyone, and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. My name is Vince and I'll be your host for today's show. Alright, our next featured birds are like any best friends. Now sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet our lovely pair of birds, Blue and Azul. Now these two will battle over who's going to be the best in the basketball game. So let's wait for Blue and Azul.
No, just open like that. Just like that.
Okay, so this right here is Azul. Let's wait for Blue. Now before we start this round of applause, we divide you guys into two groups. So up first for the girls, let's cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say go Azul, go Azul.
Go Azul! Go Azul!
Now for the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say go Blue, go Blue. Alright, now is everyone ready for the basketball game? Wait, wala energy. Again, is everyone ready?
Yeah!
Alright, birds ready, Raiders ready, and go! Alright, so here we go. First ball for Blue. Come on, Azul. First ball for Azul. Second ball for Blue, and the last ball goes to Blue. And Blue wins this round. That's alright, Azul?
That's alright.
So I guess Azul is here for another round. And now this time, let's do a ring race. Now for this one, the first bird to jump all three rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. Alright, second round, birds ready, Raiders ready, and go! Okay, so here we go. Here comes Blue again, leading the way with the first ring. Come on, Azul. Second ring for Blue. Come on, Azul. And take what's this?
Ikasan.
Azul drops all three rings at the same time. What a clever technique. So I guess that's it. How about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? Alright, now next, and larger than those birds. So Freddie right there is being walked around. Well, that is because she's currently under training. So in a couple of weeks or days, if ever given the chance to come visit us here again, you'll be able to see Freddie fly and perform.
Grabe.